January. Let me bring Joshua Ritter in real quick for some perspective on this news. Criminal defense attorney, a former prosecutor. All right, so we were kind of taken aback for a moment, Josh, because we were in our commercial break. Well, Trump's going to be sentenced right before he's inaugurated. But then, you know, the judge says, well, it's not going to include jail time. Your reaction to what Merchan did and said today?
Yeah, it sounds like it's going to have more of an impact on his legacy than anything else. That he will be the first now convicted felon to hold the office of the presidency. Until now, I think it's important for viewers to understand that even though he was found guilty and there was a verdict, it's not until sentencing that you're actually convicted of a crime. So if this sentencing does in fact take place on the 10th like it's planned and the judge has ordered, and it sounds like it will, he will then have a conviction for a felony on his record as he takes office.
Right as he takes office. So the symbolism there won't be lost, and the historical nature of that, I'm sure, won't be lost on many, many people. Trump was convicted of 34 counts of falsifying business records in this hush money scheme in New York. But this takes jail time forever off the table, right, even if he's out of office.
Yeah, I mean, it certainly sounds like that. What the judge, it sounds like, is intending to do here is kind of a non-probation probation. In other words, as long as he doesn't commit any other further crimes,
right,
then this will result in any kind of punishment beyond just the conviction being on his record. So it's a little bizarre. Sometimes you see cases where a defendant is granted probation, meaning no jail time, but they have to answer to the court. But this sounds like it won't even require Trump to appear in front of this judge again.
So it's bizarre, I would say. Is it, or maybe not, but it seems to me it would be because of the special circumstances here. But the guy's about to be inaugurated as president of the United States 10 days after the sentencing, so I guess they had to do things a little differently. Is that what's going on?
I imagine so. I imagine this judge realizes that she's not going to be able to haul in the president of the United States to answer into court, for routine check-ins on probation. So this is kind of a way of just, like I said, it has more to do with his legacy, that he will actually have a conviction on his record than any other kind of consequence to the way he's going to operate moving forward.
Okay, so that's the bottom line. The soon-to-be president of the United States will be sentenced on the 10th of January, 10 days before he's inaugurated once again as president. But the judge here in New York, Juan Merchan, promising no jail time as part of that sentence. Thank you, Josh, for explaining all of that. Josh Ritter there, 18 past the hour. Quick